How to create and format a table in Word. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure on creating and formatting a table in Word. Begin by inserting a blank table. Open Microsoft Word and click on the Insert tab located at the top right corner. Select Table from the drop-down menu. Create a table by dragging your cursor over the grid to specify the number of columns and rows you need. After creating the table, click inside it to select it. Navigate to the Layout tab at the top. In the new window, click on Merge Cells if you want to merge multiple cells together. Choose the alignment options, such as Align Top and Center, to align your content within the cells correctly. Right-click on the selected cell where you want to add text. Here, enter your desired text. You can continue this process for other cells in the table. Once you have added content and formatted your table, make sure to save your document to preserve your changes. That's it. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.